And residents of some rural parishes were left frustrated Wednesday as they ventured from their homes in search of goods and services after an extended period of lockdown. Residents also had several suggestions on how the upcoming lockdowns can be improved. The 3-day lockdown ended 5 a.m. Wednesday, and many persons who did not have exemptions to be on the road during the period ventured out early Wednesday morning for work and other business. In Portland, there were long lines of traffic heading into Port Antonio. Not even the rain could deter persons from venturing out. Many of them were heading here, supermarkets, to stock up on food supplies.
The traffic stay really bad because me live at east, and I will want to come downtown, and me have to come off pathway to come down to the town. It's combustible, and after the lockdown, we easily catch corona because everybody rush. The supermarket them hot.
The same thing when the Prime Minister run from, the same thing happen because he must say no gathering and in do lockdown, and everybody pack up now.
Residents relayed their struggles during the no movement days.
Can I get a guess? Me walk the whole district, the whole place, nothing to eat Sunday. Well, we have something to eat, but when we look around, nothing. We can't, no corner shop, one corner shop in the area. And when we go to the corner shop, she said a 4,250 for the gas. And I say, Lord Jesus, what a situation for me. 2 days, I can't get one gas. The lockdown terrible for me.
Over in St. Thomas, we observed a few lines. Persons who tried to access financial institutions had particularly lengthy waits. Some residents had a message for the government over what they say should be done in time for the next lockdown this weekend.
They have to get some help from the PART program and from the government to supply things. The water was out for 2 days. Due to the rain, they said the cat will get muddy. So they not out of the artists and the government don't send shop to supply water. They have a difficult time.
You can't do nothing, you can hardly buy food. It's the worst thing ever.
Some residents believe the delays they experienced on Wednesday were mainly because the end of the lockdown coincided with the traditional payday period.